Welcome back to Rock Reacts. Papa Cardi is at it again, one of my Patreons. Thank you very much. She requested a back-to-back Dance Macabre ghost session. So for Tuesday, if it's Tuesday where you're at, it's Tuesday somewhere, or isn't it? Oh, anyway, this is Dance Macabre back-to-back. We're going to analyze the vocals of the official music video where apparently the backstory is Papa Nihil met Sister Imperator. And then they, that's apparently the story. So, anyway, we're going to get into this. I'm a professional singer and a professional vocal coach, and I analyze vocals. And so this is going to be really interesting to compare the studio version, which I've never heard, to the live version, which I've never heard. And just to see what he's singing differently in the two. So also because it's my first time hearing both, I'm probably going to miss some stuff, so whatever. Sue me. No, don't sue me. I got enough legal troubles. Anyway, let's get into this. Ooh, One Night in Transylvania, LA. Rocker vampires. This is the place, man.
I'm not sure, man.
Woo! Party! Sometimes I miss smoking. When I see somebody cool smoke like that, I'm going, looks cool. It's not. Don't do it. I'm just kidding.
Can I help you, boys?
Ooh.
Yeah, we're here for the party, man.
A little throwback to, Rocky Horror Picture. That's like, oh God, what's his name? When he answers oh God, I can't think of his name. Oh, drawing a blank because I'm sucked into this. But anyway, yeah, it'll come to me, I'm sure, at some stage. Yeah. Or let me know in the comments below. That'll be great fun. Then I'll remember, and then you'll be
what
like,
party?
Idiot.
The party? The party?
Yeah, man.
I mean, I'm looking right at a party here. Disco chicks? We're here for the...
Disco chicks.
Oh, right. You mean this party? We've been expecting you.
We've been expecting you. Well, that was great. Thanks very much for what? No, I'm just kidding. I know. Hasn't started yet. Dance Macabre. That was good. Good job. Tambourine in the background there. Is that what it is? Disco chicks.
You'll soon be hearing the chime, close to midnight.
Cool.
If I could turn back the time, I'd make all right. How can it end like this? There's a sting in the way you kiss me.
Oh.
Something within your eyes said it could be the last time, for it's over. I just wanna be.
Oh, gotta go. Okay, I know it's like kicking in the chorus, but I gotta go back here to this. This is so classic. Ghost. He goes from this. He switches up with the kind of major and minor, like on this part. He's got this real interesting way of adding that rasp. Close to midnight. You see me as a close to midnight. So that rasp is like a healthy way to add rasp is like the opposite of what people think. You know, that rasp comes from having a really quite open pharyngeal space. Well, just making the night of the midnight, as opposed to where, like, you would think that rasp comes from kind of like kind of pushing a lot of strain up into your throat region and stuff like that. But it's not. Singing can be and should be free and easy and light. And I mean, I know when we talk about rock, there's sometimes we have to, like, we add compression and rock so it sounds like big and beefy and stuff like that, but it still should be light on the throat. But I want to get into this where he goes into this kind of minor part.
If I could turn back the time, I'd make all right. How can it end like this?
Right there.
There's a sting in the way you kiss me.
How can it end like this? That's major. And then it goes down to, but down to this weird, like, not weird, but I mean minor.
How can it end like this? There's a sting in the way you kiss me.
Sting in the way you did. So that goes out into this minor thing rather. Anyway, I'm getting caught up in it. It was just, I love the way he does that. He does that a lot, and it just gives this vibe. It's like this like signature ghost thing that's like almost not has to happen, but it's almost like that's like dead giveaway as a ghost song.
Kiss me. Something within your eyes said it could be the last time. For so long, I just wanna be with you in the moonlight.
And then like this.
Just wanna be, I wanna be with you all night. It keeps on.
So it's like, it's such a like kind of 80s vibe. It's like, it just wanna, and then he says like with you, doesn't he? He says like, isn't he saying like,
Just wanna be, I wanna be with you.
yeah, be with you. Just wanna be with you. It's like so funny how he did, but it's just really like kind of 80s sort of vibe, isn't it?
It keeps on giving me chills, but I know now. I feel the closer we get to the last bow. I don't wanna end like this, but the sting in the way you kiss me. Something within your eyes said it could be the last time.
And then he does that a lot. That could be the last time. Like as it goes up in the that up to the like that minor, you know, the minor fall and the major lift. Anyway, yeah.
For so long, just wanna be with you in the moonlight. Just wanna be, I wanna be with you all night. Just wanna be, I wanna be with you one last time in the age of right. Just wanna be, I wanna be with you all night.
Great costumes. The real kind of like 80s-ish kind of what do you call that, jazzercise or whatever, that kind of thing. So this is Papa Nihil and Sister Imperator about to get jiggy, it looks like. Oh, but they're married, so they can get to consummate this. Oh, there it is. Oh, what happened? Oh man, oh, that's where he got that eye. Whoa. It's all coming together. she popped him in the eye, and then that's where he got that eye there. And this is like where it was before, like the mask or something, before the mask was invented or something. I don't know. Is that what? But did he do this kind of face paint for a while? I don't know. I'm like losing my mind.
Just wanna be with you in the moonlight. Just wanna be with you all night. Just wanna be with you in the moonlight.
Oh, what's going on? Uh-oh.
Just wanna be with you all night.
What's happening there? Oh, blood. Oh, see? Yeah. Oh, see, I thought them guys was the vampires, but it wasn't. They were going to a vampire party. It was a vampire party, and the old folks wished them well. Anyway. Move on. Moving right along. Whoa. The beginning. That's the beginning. Okay, whoops, sorry, yeah. I think it. All right, so now we're going to switch over. We're going to check out the live version. Okay, I had to restart everything because it's too hot here and everything's melting, so I had to restart this for a second time. So we're going to listen to this to analyze the difference between the studio and the live vocals. So let's get into it. This is right here, right now. Ghost.
That's good, we're gonna need him now because we're gonna dance, motherfuckers! Are you ready to dance? I wanna know now that not one single butt is not moving!
So I like to analyze the difference between the speaking voice and then when they start singing to see is there any difference, because sometimes there will be a difference if they're using kind of a lot of kind of heavy backing track over like the lead or whatever. So it's like the lead will sometimes be like on a track, right? So anyway, this happens. So I just try to listen to the difference here, where he says,
Are you ready to dance?
"Are you ready to dance?" Kind of that. You hear that tonal quality of his voice. It sounds very kind of out front. That it's kind of quite.
I wanna know now that not one single butt is not moving too far!
You can listen to that quality. Wubba wubba. I love it. What is that? I don't know what he's talking about.
You'll soon be hearing the chime, goes to midnight.
Okay, so there was different than the studio version because he said like close to midnight. There was a little step fall there, and this was just close to midnight. What did he do? He's close to
midnight.
Close to midnight. So I suggest like that's, I mean, I like to just confirm that, yeah, he's singing live. And that to me sounds like he's singing live.
If I could turn back the time, I'd make all right.
He's still got that rasp. If I could turn back the time, I'd make all right. All right. He's got this lovely rasp. Nice. Yeah, you can see there was it wasn't as clear as like on the recording. I mean, like the "be with you in the moon," like in the moonlight. It wasn't quite as like staccato on the "in the moonlight." So it was kind of like there I can kind of gauge that. Like, yeah, it's live. It's a little bit of there's a little bit of squishiness to it, which is good. Great dancing.
It keeps on giving me chills, but I know
Now.
I know the closer we get to the last bow. I don't want to end like this. The sting
So he's got he's got a good, clear, like live sound to his voice. And you could tell like it's not heavily like overdubbed. I mean, it's very, very clear though. Like, I mean, it's almost like studio. Like, I mean, it's his voice. He can reproduce his own sound, but like, he's a good singer. He does get, I mean, I've heard other things of him live, and he's like, he's no slouch live at all. That on that, for it's over. A little bit of rasp in there. No, like, not as much as I did. Of course, I overdid it. Yeah. I love how he goes up on that. What? I wanna be with you one last time. On that, yeah. So he goes up where he's like, you wouldn't think he's gonna go up on that. I mean, well, I didn't. Obviously, he's gonna right here when it changes this. Wanna be with you one last time in the ancient. Does he say ancient rite? In the ancient rite. Anyway, it's cool how he goes up in the ancient rite. Sorry if I upset you from singing. Nice. I love the dancers. Whoa, they're picking him up. You see that? They're picking him up. Did you see that? Oh my God. Oh, they're not going to drop him, hopefully. Such a, like, the musicianship is incredible. Yeah, so you hear that, come on! It's like the same as just wanna be, come on! It's like the same, it's the same quality to it. It's so cool. I love to, I just love when you can verify that, yeah, I mean, not 100% verify, but like it sounds to me like it's live, which is like, I always bonus points for singing live because so many people don't these days. Terrible. What a great concert. I wish I was there. Awesome. I love that bass. With the bass, kick drums. Yes. Insane level of awesomeness. Right here, right now. That was insane level of awesomeness. Oh my God, it's so hot in here. I'm gonna die. It's like we're having a heat wave and everything is on fire, and my computer, obviously, it made it through. Anyway, thanks for watching Rock Reacts. You can join me on Patreon down below, please. Like and subscribe, please. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching Rock Reacts. Love you. Bye.